Hello everyone! Today is pretty cozy and foggy weather, so today I'm gonna visit my school. Every day I go to school, but today is a working day plus a school day. So I'm gonna make a vlog video and learn something new in English. So you can see there is many houses. Like I'm not in village or city. It's like pretty medium level city or in a village. And there you can see a street right away. I'm going to street now. Then over there is my school after a while. And there is so much sound, so you may not hear my sound. There is another exhibit. Thank you very much for watching this video and for clicking this video. Today we're gonna learn two words, pros and cons. What's the meaning of pros and cons? Pros and cons actually mean that good or bad, both are in the place and both are in the same situation. And spare time actually means leisure time when you spend time with your friends and family. You don't have to do homework, you don't have to do any work, so that's called actually spare time. Over there is my school gate, and I'm entering the school gate. There is a tree, a palm tree. Let's go into the school. Okay, assembly is going on. That's I'm pretty late because every time I get late. Well, that's not a problem. I'll run towards. I'll give my back to my mom, and then I'll join the assembly. Till then. The day shifts assembly is started. So currently I'm here in the row or somewhere. So this is the boys row over there. All of them are in the girls row. There is three girls rows and two boys rows and our school in the day shift. So you can see many teachers are available here. Head teacher is in the office room, so you could see many students are catching up with their friends. Many little masters are also here. So my school name is Haji Fazul Haq Model High School. I don't know when it's established in. I think it's 2009 or something around. So you can see our school is pretty new because we just cleared it up. And I couldn't go with the mobile in class, so someone recording my video. Over there is me. You couldn't see me, but after a while you will see me. So we'll start by just doing assembly, like raising your hands, just clasping our hands or moving, some movement, PD activities, like extracurricular activities you can see here. So today we'll learn some vocabulary with it. So for the best opportunity, we kept the exercise activity. So nowadays the first exercise is going on. That's why you can see many guardians, parents are here and there. Over there is another school, but it is in 2024. It isn't 2009 or around something. So it's a Bengali medium school, and you mustn't have heard about that. It's not like any school of Taco or Narayanganj. It's like Bengali medium school where it actually written. Actually, what is it? Many people just write in my comments that which school are you in? Then this is my school, and actually I read in Bengali medium school. This is exercise number 2, and this is called exercise, not exercise. It's exercise in British, in American accent, but in British accent it's exercise. We don't pronounce the R. It's like R. So this sort of thing. Right, so today we learned pros and cons and spares, so we're gonna learn another one, which is cut corners. What means cut corners? It's simple way, it's meaning that you're in the simple way, that's why it is. So we're doing left, right, red, this kinds of stuff, so everyone is enjoying. Yep, right? So over there is me, I think. Where is me? I couldn't find myself. That was boring. over there's me, so I always make pigtails, because in case of school we make pigtails, but many people don't. They just make their hair down, but I don't like to put my hair down in school. So that's everything, like official, professional, formal, informal. So yep, it's pretty good. And here you can see drum, because we actually make a sound with that drum, like when we say left, right, right, we're doing an exercise. Command is related to drum, so that's why. Now I'm gonna say the solemnly pledge prayer. মানুষের সেবায় সর্বদা নিজেকে নিয়োজিত রাখিব। দেশের প্রতি অনুগত থাকিব। দেশের একতা ও শান্তি শৃঙ্খলা বজায় রাখিবার জন্য সর্বদা সচেষ্ট থাকিব। হে আল্লাহ, আমাকে শক্তি আমি যেন বাংলাদেশকে একটি শক্তিশালী ও আদর্শ রাষ্ট্র হিসেবে গড়ে তুলতে পারি। Well, that's pretty good, Chia, because people are saying that I'm very confident with my own era, right? So, people are saying me confident, and I think it's so, probably. So, people are staring at me like, just like it's pretty alien type. They're staring at me, but still, it's pretty good. Okay, so today we're gonna learn about one thing. Well, just call many people just write in the comments that what's the meaning of aesthetic? Because nowadays in shorts we have aesthetic. So there is the national flag, and it is red and green colored flag, Bangladesh's flag. So that's why. Another thing is, you just tell me what is aesthetic means. Aesthetic means something beautiful, cute, anything. So we start our school by singing our national anthem. If you want to really listen how our national anthem look like, please watch the video. আমার সোনার বাংলা, আমি তোমায় ভালোবাসি, চিরদিন তোমার আকাশ, চিরদিন তোমার আকাশ, তোমার বাতাস আমার প্রাণে, ও মায় আমার প্রাণে বাজায় বাঁশি সোনার বাংলা, আমি তোমায় ভালোবাসি। So that's all for today for my vlog. If you want to like my vlog, press the like button, subscribe for more. And please don't forget to press the bell icon and comment down below, do you really like your national anthem? And do you believe I actually read in Bengali medium school? And what did you learn today? Pick of these 3 answers in the comment down below. Till then, keep practicing English. Bye!